If you have a Kenmore Elite and it looks like this, I think there are a fair amount of them made, and your part number is this. I think you can see that. And it's making a lot of noise. It's happened twice on this one. It's usually the idler pulley. So the idler pulley, the bearings get shot on it. It just rattles back and forth. The bushing, I should say. I don't think it's a bearing, it's just a bushing. But it's easy to replace. It's located right. It goes back up here and holds tension on this belt from the drive motor. And it's just mounted. You'll see it's just mounted right down here. And there's a spring that holds it, the tension on it. It's just hooked down there. Get a pliers to unhook it from the bottom. Take it off. There's one bolt was bolted in here. Take it off. And look on Amazon, it's a very popular item. First one is a generic looking one. It's not the right one. Look for one that looks exactly like this. That has a low spot, then goes high. It's got a ridge down the middle. Tab comes up, and the pulley's right there. It's a one-day delivery for $11.99 overnight or whatever. It's Saturday, it's supposed to be here tomorrow. That's the second time I've replaced that one. So it's better than buying a new dryer. Anyway, I just take the back off to do that. Put it back together. It's a good time to clean everything out anyway, including the line that goes out of your house. It's full of junk. Good time to clean that and get everything done at once. Put it back together, and you're out $12 in a few hours.